the pistol, back to throw. Has time, throws over the middle, and the pass broken up. There are no flags. Again, the Ram 41. Here come the Rams, but Rufo gets it out, and the quick pass, and a tackle made immediately by Steve O'Michael. 7-0 Colorado looking to add to that advantage. Give to Powell, hit behind the line by the Rams. A loss on the play. Max Morgan made the initial hit. Now Lovett in motion back toward the middle, and they'll go inside handoff, and D. Hart carrying for the first time going. Lone setback is Gerald's. Good cutback move over the 20. First down CSU. Out to back to throw Grayson. Looking, dumps it off, has his man, D. Hart out of the backfield. First down over the 40-yard line. Hart upended by Crawley. First down CSU. Snaps it back to Grayson with time. Throws deep, down the sideline. Kevon Cartwright's got it. Inside the 20. Forced out of bounds at the 19-yard line. The right side, slot left. And up the middle they run with Jason Oden. His first carry inside the 10. Jason Oden to the 7-yard line. D. Hart in the backfield, the lone setback. 2 minutes to go till halftime. They give it to Hart, off the right side, still on his feet, inside the 5, to the goal line. We await the call, touchdown! It's able to get a drive going. Play action, no, they give it to D. Hart. Hart breaks the tackle at the 20, 25. This young guy's fun to watch. Over the 30 to the 31-yard line as the time has expired. Set back, D. Hart takes the handoff. And a cutback move midfield, 45-40, inside the 45, it's on the 35. He's down almost to the 31 side. Set back, D. Hart takes the handoff. And a cutback move midfield, 45-40, inside the 45, it's on the 35. He's down almost to the 31. Colorado. First down Rams, 20-yard line of Colorado. Rams are down by 10, but driving. And the give, Treyas Gerald, up the middle, the 10, inside the 5, he's to the 3-yard line. It is first and goal, CSU. Well, Colorado, but the Rams looking to change that. Gerald's the lone setback, gets the handoff, and spins toward the goal line. Is he in? He is in. Touchdown, Rams. 3rd and 3. Rams blitz, inside handoff. They hit the ball carrier behind the line. He fights through, gets to the 46. He's way short of the first down. Here's Grayson on a give to D. Hart. Breaks through the line into Buff territory, hitting down at the 48-yard line. Tedrick Thompson rushing in this game. The snap to Grayson. Throws over the middle. Has D. Hart out of the backfield for a first down. Inside the 20-yard line. Don't they say his knee at the ground at the 21. Doesn't matter. First down Rams. That's it. Second down and 5 from the 16. Grayson, play action, rush on. Throws for Higgins. Touchdown Rams. Lufau barks, signals in the pocket. Rush on. Steps up in the pocket. Now he's going to run, hit from behind, and down he goes at the 19-yard line. And again, it's Brian O'Henny-Jennings. And the Rams get 11, and the clock runs. And so, too, does D. Hart. The 40, the 45, D. Hart to the 47-yard line. Another first down before Awuzie was able to bring him down. Let's call it a 52-yard field goal attempt from the hash mark on the left. There's the snap. Ball on the way. Kick has the distance. It is good! 52 yards for Jared Roberts, and the Rams add 3 more.
Dominating second half performance by Jim McElwain's squad.
Well,